If you want to sell an ebook, or you want to sell a web template, or you just want to sell whatever digital product you have and you think Shopify is an overkill, I'm going to be showing you how to build this digital storefront with Lovable today. It takes like 10 minutes to build, and this is a landing page where it covers our product. If I click on buy now, it redirects me to my Stripe payments checkout page. This is it. This is our title. We put in our details here, and then we click on checkout. So this is what we're going to be building today. Just stick around and I'll show you how to do this in less than 20 minutes. These are prompts with the digital product storefront with simple backend and Stripe test integration. This is what we are giving to Lovable now. Then over here, we are defining our data model. These are backend logic. Then we also have our front-end structure here. We are using a single page layout here. It just displays welcome, then it displays the list of products we have. Then you also have the sources cancel pages. You have the design. These are design here, modern SaaS aesthetics, tailwind style layout, rounded corners. I'll be posting these prompts in the description below, so you can just copy it and then you follow along. So I'll just send this to Lovable now. Then before Lovable builds that, you also want to make sure you have a Stripe account, because we are using Stripe for this. If you don't have a Stripe account, I'll just show you real fast how to build that while this one is loading. Head over to another tab here. You type in Stripe URL. So this is it here. If you don't have an account, we want to create an account, then log in. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in real fast. The sign-up process doesn't take time. You just put in your mail, then you put in your country. Let's just even go through that so you see. This is the sign-in page. I'll just you click on create account. Now you put in your email, put in your full name, your password, your country, then you just click on create account. So after creating the account, you see it takes you to your dashboard. This is my own dashboard, but yours will not be like this. In fact, it will first ask you to create a sandbox. If you want to create a sandbox, sandbox is like a virtual page or a virtual profile where you get to test the functionalities of your product. So this is my own sandbox here, because I'm not doing anything serious. I'm just trying to show you how to do this. This is my own dashboard, and this is the amount I have. This is a test I did when I was trying to create this tutorial. Then what you want to do now is that you want to create a secret key, because Lovable is going to ask for that. So you just scroll down here over this bottom left, you are going to see developer. You click on developer, then you click on API keys here. When you click on API key, I'm sure mine will come up here because I created one while trying to build this product, and I'm going to delete this after this tutorial. You will see create restricted key here, like mine. Then you just need to create that key. Let's click on create restricted key. It's going to ask you if you are providing this key to another website, maybe like a third-party application or any other plugin, or if you are building it, if you are trying to integrate Stripe into your own custom domain or into your own custom application. And that's what we are doing now. So we'll just click on building your own integration. Then you click on continue. Now it's going to ask you for the details now of your own keys. Here you just want to put in maybe what you want to do. Like mine now, just digital storefront, but let's just say digital products front, just so it's different from the first one I created. Now there are a list of permission you need to enable here, depending on the use case and what you are trying to build. You just need to click on appropriate permission for it to allow Lovable to write or read to. So for our own here, we are just going to customers. We want to click on write with customers. Then let's check product. We want to click on write. I think what we are looking for now is a checkout. Yes, this is here, checkout session. So we want to click on write there. Then let's see if there's any other permission we want. We'll have to do read for webhooks. That's the permissions I want to enable for this tutorial. I'll just click on create key now and give Stripe maybe like a minute or two to also create that key. While this is creating, we'll head over to Lovable. Okay, now it's asking for my account because I was signed out initially. So let me just quickly put this. While this is loading, we'll head over to Lovable. I'm sure it will be asking for a secret key by now. Okay, I'm here to enable cloud. I'm here to enable the backend and for it to use Superbase. So I'll just allow that. Now to try to connect to Stripe and then to ask me for my secret key. Now back to Stripe, our key has been created, as you can see here. I'm going to be deleting all these keys after this tutorial. You also want to make sure when you create key, your keys are very secret. They are stored safely. You don't want to expose your secret key on the web. Now back to Lovable, it's asking for a restricted API key like we discussed now. I'm just going to paste our API key here. Then I'll submit. That will take a while, then it will create and then we should see our first real prototype. Our digital storefront has been created and this is it. This is what we have. We have a black and yellow theme here and it's looking very, very cool. I just quickly published it. If you click on publish here, to generate this URL for you, then you just click on publish. Now this is the publishable version we have here. I did that so we can just have a full glance of what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead to click on one of the products and then just buy. It's supposed to take me to a Stripe checkout. Now let's see how that goes. You can see this is the title of what we are buying. Ultimate UI Kit Pro, $49. Now we just need to put in our mail, our card details for this to work. I'll quickly put my mail here. Then I'll use one of Stripe test card because since we are using our sandbox, we just need to have a test card. If you don't have Stripe test card, you can just click on your dashboard and then you can ask for, if you click here and just say Stripe test cards, it's in their documentation. That's where I got mine from. Now this is their test card page. They provided a list of several test cards you can just use to test your application if everything is functional. Now these are the test cards here. You just want to copy anyone. I put in the test card details 4242, 4242, 4242. If you are using the test card, you can put in any year you want. Same thing with this, you just put 705, maybe just any number. Then card holder name, you want to put in your full name. This phone, you want to put in your country, say United States. Now, when it's successful, it will reload me back to my app. Now you can see a payment successful. Thank you for your purchase. Your product is ready for download. Now I can download the product if this project is going live. Then I can also click on back to store and it's supposed to take me back to store. This is a very beautiful one-page e-commerce front you can use to sell your products. If you are a freelancer, if you are an entrepreneur, whatever the case may be, you can just design something like this on Lovable. That's it, guys. Click on subscribe. Click on the like button too, so this can reach more people. Thank you for staying with me on this. See you next time.